हेलो। क्या है आज अलग? व्हाट इज दिस? सुबह सुबह ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 9:30 am. What are we looking at this? This is not a session or lecture on questions or important part for GPAT and all. वो सब आज आ रहा है. आज 11:30 you will have a video on some MCQs which are important MCQs for different entrance. Today evening at 4:30 you will have questions which are important from Kology point of view. Yes, we are starting with a new concept, drug of the day. Every day one video which will be talking about drug of the day. Every day in afternoon a video which will be on important questions on previous years of GPAT. Every day in the evening sharp at 7 p.m. a video on short type of questions. So yes, it's a lot for you in the box. Why am I over here? Why at 9 a.m. in the morning? आज तक तो कभी फार्मल लाइट सुबह 9 बजे आया नहीं. There's a special reason about here. Basically, the idea was to spread awareness not only about entrances, but to spread awareness about your inner potential. We all have that hidden potential which we tend to ignore. हम लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो कभी हो ही नहीं सकती एंड वी फील दैट दे आर ऑलवेज इम्पॉसिबल. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग वेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर. Every impossible thing was impossible only when someone made it possible. कोई भी चीज सिर्फ तभी तक इम्पॉसिबल थी जब तक किसी ने उसको पॉसिबल नहीं किया. आई होप यू नो अबाउट सचिन तेंदुलकर, राइट? ही वॉज द फर्स्ट टू स्कोर 200 runs. He did it once, Sehwag did it, Rohit Sharma did it thrice. I hope you know Yuvraj Singh, the first to hit 6 sixes in a row. एक बार हुआ फिर बार बार हुआ. Not only that, I hope you know people who tried multiple times to invent a bulb, more than 1,000 experiments. You know people multiple times who tried to get through with various other inventions. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो एक टाइम तक इम्पॉसिबल थी. वो टाइम सिर्फ तभी तक का था जब तक किसी ने उसको पॉसिबल किया. प्रोबेबली टुडे यू आर इन दैट जर्नी जहां पे आपको चीजें इम्पॉसिबल लगती होगी, वेर यू प्रोबेबली डोंट बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ कि यहाँ से कुछ पॉसिबल भी है. बट यू नो द फैक्ट ऑफ मैटर इज दैट इट्स ऑल इन योर हैंड. If you believe in yourself, trust me, you can do it. Every impossible thing stays impossible only till when someone makes it possible. आज आपको लगता रहेगा, if I talk with regards to different entrances, GPAT, CAT, NIPER, आज तक GPAT का highest score 359 रहा है on 500. No one has scored 500 out of 500. You might think it is impossible. आज तक हुआ नहीं है ना. कल कोई 500 on 500 लाएगा, you feel it possible. Same way, there are various records which are yet to be broken. Correct? आज तक किसी ने 50 ओवर्स क्रिकेट में 500 रन स्कोर नहीं किए. किसी ने 20 ओवर्स क्रिकेट में 300 रन स्कोर नहीं किए. आई गिव मोर ऑफ क्रिकेट एग्जांपल्स बिकॉज आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. शायद यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स अराउंड यू ऑलरेडी. You know a lot of failure stories which have already turned into success stories. Did they have anything special? They were humans. दो हाथ दो पाँव सब कुछ सेम था. एक ही चीज अलग थी, वो हट, वो जिद कि करके दिखाना है. दैट इम्पॉसिबल थिंग is supposed to be converted into a possible thing. Now it's up to you whether you follow your dream today entire day or you stay back and just think that it's impossible. All the best, stay safe. Thank you so much. And yes, most importantly, not only from today but every day sharp at 9 a.m. to give you a morning boost to ensure that your day goes well. If you are interested for such videos, just subscribe on the channel every morning sharp at 9 a.m. Thank you so much.